welcome back to my channel, Fabric Garage. So obviously if you guys clicked on this video, it's because you want to see a nice burnout. I haven't really done a nice burnout with the car because, you know, tires are expensive and I don't want to break anything, but it's about time that this car does a massive burnout for a really good cause. So Fabric Garage is going to get a little bigger. The wife and I are expecting a So I'm super pumped, I'm excited, and what better way as a car enthusiast to show the family what the gender is going to be other than doing a massive burnout. So this is what this video is going to be about. I'm going to give you guys a little update on the waste oil heater and the fans, and then we're going to get to the video. There will be 3 footages of the burnout. The second footage is a drone video. It'll be a higher angle and you'll be able to see really good. So hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go. All right, so the waste oil heater hasn't really been used lately because right now it's summer where I live in Mass. So I did install the ceiling fans, they're industrial ceiling fans, one right above it to keep pushing the air down. And then I put one right on top of the lift, and I'm gonna put another one down there, which I already have. I just have to install it. So this in the summer is nice, and in the winter it will actually push the hot air, which rises down. Eventually I'm going to close it all up with plywood, and that should really keep the heat in here. I do lose a lot of heat from that gap there where heat will rise and just basically go right out of the building. So I do plan on insulating the sides and then plywood everything, but for now I'm just going to use the fans in the summer, and when winter is closer I will start working on this to get it as sealed as I can, so that way I have nicer heat. So that's the update on this in case you guys were wondering. And I'm gonna get to changing the rear wheels on the Miata, and I'll show you guys the burnout, and you guys are gonna be able to see the gender reveal.
Try that one. Here we go. Jack, you're from the camera.
Get from that camera. It's green!
All right, well, that was a hell of a freaking burnout. I'll be honest, I haven't done many burnouts. And when that burnout came out, I was like, wow, I got lucky. You know, like I did it from practice, to be honest, because I don't want to piss off the neighbors doing a burnout all the time. But man, I was so excited and so pumped. I just basically, I don't even know how I did it. I just did a perfect burnout to what I had pictured in my head. So yeah, guys, baby boy on the way. Should be turning wrenches with dad very soon, and it'll be a new addition. I'm super pumped. But like I said, I'll still be putting out videos, just obviously not a lot of videos, especially in the next few months, because there's going to be a lot of work. There's a lot of things to get ready. Nursery and getting everything ready, learning a lot. So, but I'll be still doing car stuff no matter what day it is. So I appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully you enjoyed that as much as I did. I still watch it multiple times a day, So we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.